Peace and blessings, fam. Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest. Yes, today, together, let's discover the most stunning sew-in hairstyle for those with alopecia, with short hair and thinning hair. Yes, in this video, I'm going to showcase a variety of beautiful and natural-looking hairstyles that can help boost your self-confidence and your self-esteem. From lace frontals to micro lengths, we'll discover the best hair extension method for those dealing with hair loss, whether you're looking for a quick fix or a long-term solution. This hairstyle is for you, and it is perfect for anyone with alopecia, short hair and thinning edges. So let's get ready to jump into this video. Yes, as you can see here, I am using our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, our G&G hair growth butter is made with 100% all natural ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, we are introducing our new white shea butter G&G. Yes, we have two different colors now of shea butter. We have the yellow shea butter as well as the white shea butter. But what I want to spend time on today, which is something that I hardly ever do, is just to show you how I take my time to massage our hair growth butter or our hair growth oil into my client's hair. I really take time and energy, and I love on my client's hair. As you can see here, I am just applying some hair growth butter on her scalp as well as her hair, and I am shortly going to show you the difference and what her hair looks like once it's hydrated with our G&G opposed to the other parts of her hair that has not been hydrated yet. I am moisturizing not only just her scalp but her hair as well. Please look at the difference. Look at the hair that has the hair growth butter opposed to the hair that does not. Look at that big difference. Look how her hair is hydrated and moisturized. You can just see the difference. This is what our G&G hair growth butter does to your hair. Yes, again, it is infused with tea tree oil, peppermint oil, argan oil, black seed oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil. It is just packed with all kinds of essential oils to promote hair growth. And again, as you can see here, I am showing you how I do my brush method. When my clients come in, I really love on their hair. I don't just get started with the braid pattern and start with the style. I moisturize and hydrate their hair real good, and as you can see here, I'm going in and I'm brushing the areas, even the areas where she has her hair loss. As you can see, I'm taking my time and I moisturize this area, and now I'm brushing it with some light strokes. And this is what you want to do, because brushing is super essential with our hair, ladies. We need to brush our hair to stimulate those hair follicles. We need to do everything possible to stimulate our hair follicles so that they can start growing back. So as you can see here, I am starting her hair growth pattern, her braid pattern, and I'm giving her a healthy braid pattern, not only for the style that she's going to be getting, but also for her hair. As you can see, she has a significant amount of hair loss in the front, and I don't want to put any more tension, stress, or pulling on the front. So as you can see here, I did some single braids in the front, and this is what's going to reduce that tension. See the single braids I did right here in the front? And I am going to connect, and I'm going to show you that shortly, how I connect that to the other braids. I please want you to take note of how healthy her hair looks, especially after I applied our G&G hair growth butter. Look how moisturized and hydrated her hair looks. And this is what I'm talking about when I say reducing the stress, the tension, and the pulling on her edges. I braided those edges going down and not going back. And then I'm just taking the end of that braid and I just kind of crocheted it in one of the braids going to the back. This is going to make this braid stay loose throughout the duration that she's wearing this style. This is super important, ladies, because we want to promote hair growth and not hair loss. Again, I'm going to show you right here what I'm going to do with these single braids. This is to reduce again that pulling, that tension on her edges in front. I am going to just crochet this single braid throughout the braid that's going back. And again, it's not going to be tight. It's going to be well loose and versatile so that it is not pulling. And that's what we want, ladies. We do not want to pull on the edges or the parts that you have the hair loss, the alopecia, or the thinning. So again, I'm showing you exactly what to do with those single braids. This braid pattern is super beneficial to anyone who has hair loss, alopecia, thin hair, who have thin edges. This is the perfect braid style that you would want to use. So again, take note how I am doing these single braids and how I'm just crocheting them into the braids that's going back. Again, this is reducing any tension and any pulling on those edges. So again, continue to keep watching, ladies, and see all the tips and the tricks that I show you as I create this beautiful style with her. And just remember, the most important thing is I'm going to create this style without using any glue. Yes, ladies, no glue is going to be used at all with this style. I am going to install, as you can see right here, a stretchy piece of net. That is to give me the fullness that I need in this area where she has hair loss. You see the area that she has the hair loss there? This is where the stretchy net is going to take place. And that is going to give me the ability to be able to sew on that area where there's no hair and she can have that fullness in the front. I also use my custom closure. You can tap the link in the description below. It will take you to my website where you can purchase all our hair growth products and also my custom hair closure or frontal. Yes, my frontal and my closure are custom handmade by myself, and yes, it is super beneficial for anyone who has hair loss so that you can have that versatility in the front so it can look as natural as possible, as well as being able to hide any areas that you do have alopecia, hair loss, or thinning hair. So again, continue to keep watching and see how this beautiful style is created. Again, I use my custom closure. You can tap the link in the description below so that you can get your order in today. My clients love this custom closure and my custom frontals. It is everything, ladies. Yes, it is the truth. Again, continue to keep watching so you do not miss any of my tips and my tricks as I show you as I create this style. Oh my gosh, ladies, look how beautiful and full this is coming out. It is absolutely gorgeous. I am just going to trim it, shape it, Give her some wavy hair on the side so that it looks as natural as possible. And this style is just about complete. Yes, ladies, you too can wear a beautiful style just like this, even with hair loss, alopecia, thinning edges in the front, at the top, on the sides. It doesn't matter. This style can be accomplished, and it is a DIY. Look how gorgeous this came out. She is loving the length. She is loving how I shaped it on the side. And remember, with my custom closure, you can wear your parts versatile, meaning you can wear a left side part, a right side part, and a middle part. So again, ladies, look how gorgeous this came out. No one will ever know that she has any hair loss in the front and at the top or on the sides. Again, please subscribe to my channel. Please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to smash that bell so you do not miss any of my new videos, as I upload new videos every single day. Stay safe and stay blessed.